What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Before we proceed, please understand that this is not financial advice. You are more than free to do whatever you like with your money, and so am I. And that being said, let's grab a sip of coffee from my Casper Maximus mug. Everything, guys, definitely everything tastes better with Casper. Today we're about to do the same thing we do every day. First, we're gonna look at market. we're gonna look at market performance for the past 24 hours. Yeah, it was over with, right? We're gonna look at market performance for the past 24 hours. After that, we will look at the prices in details, and right after that, we will check on our positions. Are we buying Lambos yet? But before that, I have one of my artists that is he wants a country song, like a country or R&B. So he sent me the bid, and he wanted me to check it out, see if I can do something with it. So yeah, let me show you guys just a little tiny bit. I'm not a country singer, but hey, I am an artist. Anything you are giving with, you're supposed to work with. All right, so give me a second, let me put the beat on. I like how it sounds. So freestyling, what I think right now is like a breakup or regret. So yeah, that's what it sounds like. So let's see. I hope you know the person you choose to spend your life with. Is it good? Is it bad? Is it worth it on your time? I hope you know the person you choose to spend your life with. Is it good? Is it bad? Is it worth it on your time? I hope you know the person you choose to spend your life with. When the times go bad and you need them, he will stay. Yeah, see, that's how I feel like it. The person you choose to spend your life with. Yeah, when I get back to my room, I'm going to try to record it and send it to him, and we'll work on the verses and everything else, all right? But anyways, I think it's worth it. So yeah, if you ask me, I think I like the way the rhythm goes. But yeah, well, I'm gonna work on it when I get back. But anyways, today, we're about to do things a little different, okay? When I looked at my engagements, it looks like you guys like it better when I read some of the comments and I try to answer to it, okay? Give you an answer in live, talk about them, and let's see how that goes from there. Although my idea for today's video is the topic, our pep talk, or pep talk, however you want to call it, is something a little bit different. Because yesterday I kind of watched Jonathan AMA. It's like 7 hours long. I was listening to it while I was working, and I was like, Jesus Christ, this guy is up to something. He is really up to something, okay? So first of all, let's start there, and then we end up with the comments, okay? Like right now, even before the AMA, I have been telling you guys that the real Bitcoin is called Casper, and people's just like, yeah, I must be drinking too much coffee. That's what everybody keeps saying, right? But again, if you pay attention to things, history does not repeat, but it rhymes. It rhymes in so many ways. Like when you start looking at what's going on, you begin to put yourself in a better position when those things start to happen, even though it's not going to be in the same way, but in a similar way when they start to happen, right? I gave you guys, people that like to chase candles. Oh yeah, let's go over there with VCs. Let's go get this and that. I gave you examples. Solana. We talked about Solana here a lot. It's not because it is good. No, you guys already know my position. When I tell you, I do not like proof of stake. Not me. Not today, not tomorrow, not ever. I do not like proof of stake. And even worse, when they don't have a max supply. I don't like those things. That's just one aspect. I'm not you. You can do whatever you want. Me, yeah, I'm staying away from them. If I get in before they even start to run, okay, as soon as it gets to a certain market cap amount, I'm out. Because proof of stakes, they usually have VCs behind them that they will let the coins run because they have an unlock schedule. Okay, that's one of the how you say this, one of the stipulations when you invest as a VC in a proof of stake. They tell you you are not going to sell your coin until X amount of time, and when that time comes, they start unlocking coins. Okay, so that is me. As not when was this? A couple of years ago. You guys know when the ICO boom, the ICO era. Oh, you want to get in at the time before nobody knows. I told you guys about this coin that I used to have. It's called Gains. You know what? Let me look at it. I haven't seen it. I want to see how it is doing. Excuse me. Yeah, it was called Gains. Let's see. Where is it today? Gains. Something like that. Gains. Yeah, exactly. This one. This is the one I'm talking about. You remember back in the days, oh, they migrated. They migrated to another chain. But anyways, this coin, when it came out, I bought it very cheap, and you had to hold a certain amount, and they are going to give you like heads up. Hey, there's a VC coin coming out if you want to invest into it, and blah blah blah. Now let's see the price action. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. So yeah, that was back in the day when I used to do into that VC stuff. You know, it was nice when it came out, and at first, like I told you guys, I usually wait. I think I bought it somewhere because I waited for initial bounce to go down. I bought it somewhere here. I think it was like 25-30 cents. I think that's where I bought it. I had a bunch of it, and yeah, after that I sold mine. I sold it somewhere after the second pump, not at the top right here. I thought I sold it like 60 or 70 cents. I think that's where I sold it. I didn't even wait that much because, you know, this, when you start to see that the first top is lower than the second top, yeah, you should get out of it. So I thought I sold like 60, 70 or 80 cents, something like that. That's where I sold it. This is a coin, like I'm telling you. This is they will tell you like, oh yeah, there is a what you call it, there is a VC coin coming out if you want to get in, and this is the amount of time you are going to have to lock it in, and stuff like that. They will tell you. So if you want to get in, you can easily do that. Let me see their website, and Gains Associates, this thing. But yeah, it is. That's another thing you have to know. So invest early, wake up late. yeah, that's the thing. But yeah, what I'm trying to tell you guys today is that part of things. That's that part of investing. So if you look at it, the title of my of today's topic: Bitcoin and Casper. Some people say silver to gold. For me, I think Casper is better than Bitcoin because it's everything opposite to what Bitcoin it is. And if you look at the Satoshi's white paper, I think Casper is the only one that is really keeping up to it, right? But yeah, that's a subject for another day, although I have already explained it here 1,001 times. Okay, now let's go back a little bit. Today we do have the Dixie, the US dollar, on one side of the corner, and on the other side of the corner you have gold. US dollar is the cash, is the money, right? The one people use every day. Gold is the store of value. But you know one thing that is interesting to me when you look at two of them, gold has the same market cap as the US dollar. You see that? Has the same market cap of the US dollar. So now, you looking at that, what are the odds? Okay, what are the odds that Casper matches the market cap of Bitcoin? Let's say 5 to 10 years from now. What are the odds? What would Casper's price be by the time? And I'm not just talking about this $2.3 trillion right now. Let's just say, like I've maintained many times, Bitcoin will hit that $150,000-$160,000. If that's the top, we don't know. But hey, we're going to watch the market regardless, right? But by the time Bitcoin hits that $150,000-$160,000, Bitcoin will be worth probably $5 trillion or something like that, right? So if Bitcoin is worth $5 trillion, what price can Casper be at that market cap? Let's just say Casper matches Bitcoin market cap, just like the US dollar match the market cap of gold. What price would that be? Roughly on top of my head, if you calculate $170, $180, you know what, let's do it. I don't like to just speculate. Calculator. Let's say 5 trillion, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, $5 trillion. Total supply for Caspa is 27. Let's say 27 billion. 27. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh my God. That means one Caspa will be worth $189 or $185. Do you remember when I keep telling you, just buy 10,000 Caspers and keep them on the side? Because this right here, for many people, it might seem impossible. But I can tell you, and I've been telling you guys, Casper is something that you are not prepared. I mean, you are not prepared to see. Let's say, okay, 10 years from now or whatever, Casper gets to $185. Your 10,000 Caspers will be worth $1.8 million. It just, I know, yeah. Many people will tell you, yeah, you are not understanding how this works. You are probably drinking too much coffee. But I will tell you again, Casper is the only coin. I don't know. Name them down below. Name them if there is any other one. Which smart contracts are not out yet, but there is already an ecosystem worth trillions of dollars waiting for them. You tell me. I'm telling you, people, Casper is going to catch a lot of people by storm. Because when you talk about the KEF, the KII, you look at everything, Casper's banking, all that stuff. Guys, I've always maintained it. Casper is a $10 coin. And we are what? 6 days away? You're about to start seeing smart contracts come in, stablecoin transactions begin, and the little thing that happened to Ethereum. You guys remember when Ethereum started? DeFi, okay? It's going to start going on. I told you, when I was talking about this, that projects are going to migrate, people thought I was out of my mind. A lot of people said I was crazy. But now look at it. Look at how many projects already came out. They already came out and said, hey, we are migrating. The biggest one of all of them, Aave. You guys know what Aave is? Aave on the Ethereum chain represents almost 20% of the DeFi on the Ethereum. Okay? And if the global Ethereum, if the global DeFi, if you put it together, and Ethereum holds over 50% of it, of DeFi, 17% is Aave. Hey, so is it 17 to 80%? Go look at DeFi Llama, you will see it. 17 to 20% is Aave, and that is moving to Casper. That alone, we are not talking about TriFi, we are talking about DeFi. Just Aave, you have a bunch of them that are going to move on. There is going to be, the utility on Casper is going to be crazy, and yeah, it might sound like a movie right now. That's why I said last time, I just got tired of talking about price and all that stuff. And I told you guys, if you haven't got it now, I don't think even me speaking Chinese, you will not understand it. I can speak Spanish, French, English, Igbo, Fang, whatever. You will not understand it, and the only way you will get it is just time. And that time is running out. Trust me, it is running out. You are going to see right now, just with Casper alone, see what price is about to do. A couple of months later, before the end of the year, Igra Lab goes live. Look at price. After that, Sparkle goes live with the 100 blocks per second, with the VProx, all that stuff goes live. And now we're not even talking about exchange listings, because we do have a Binance over there trying to a K run this way with the house, and A now this, the next is an S, and they are giving you hints. For me, and I keep standing by it. Casper is a $10 coin in the immediate short term. And I keep telling you, Casper is going to be the only one running next year. You're about to see. And now we look at it, when you start looking, even Jonathan himself, he said it. That hint, a lot of people didn't catch it. But when he said it in that AMA, man, I was dancing inside my room by myself. Which is true. Look at US dollar as the currency, right? Look at gold as the store of value. The market cap has matched. Now, if people still think like Bitcoin is a store of value, the natural thing is that Casper will match that market cap. That's the thing. And on top of that, I said it the other day. I told you guys, liquidity is going to flow from Bitcoin to Casper. The reason is people right now don't know Casper until you start to see the volume. Once people start to see that volume, that's when you will see people turning heads like, okay, and what the hell is that thing? They start to research it. You will see my grandmama becoming a professor on Casper. You will see. Things like that are going to guarantee. That's why I say generational wealth. I'm going for Casper because of generational wealth. It's not, for me, it's not a 5 or 10 year thing. No. I'm going to store it, keep on buying it, keep on doing that. You will be surprised that Casper might hit that $185 within 10 years. Within 10 years, you might hit that $185. We are no longer in 2017 or 2015 when nobody knew about crypto. Crypto now is mainstream. That's something that a lot of people are not even putting into account. Crypto is now mainstream. People now know what Bitcoin is, or what Ethereum is, or with the ETFs and all that stuff. And again, people now, a lot of people that miss Bitcoin, like I always tell you guys, if you did not invest in Bitcoin when it was less than 10,000, forget about it. There is a lot of people that feel that way, and they are looking for different ways. Okay, what's next? What's coming next? And I'm telling you, once Casper shows up with that volume, being on Binance, being on Coinbase, Kraken, and all of them, you will understand better. Right now, it doesn't make no sense because people are chasing those green candles, even though when you tell them, hey, the countdown is still going down. We haven't got zero yet. Still going down. Wait for Casper. I told you guys the bottoms was 5 cents, right? Ever since then, Casper's been up. Right now, you're about to learn. you are about to learn the difference between khaki and leather. You're about to learn. I told you guys, my spot account on Kaspa, I'm not touching. I keep adding to it. I'm going to make money with leverage. That's what I'm going to make money with. So yeah, just play it a little bit on your head. The possibility that Kaspa might match Bitcoin market cap. Play it. Imagine like Bitcoin goes to 300,000 in the next bull run. Adoption of Casper would have been completely by then. Imagine Bitcoin goes to 300,000. What would the market cap be? And if Casper matches that, that's why even before Jonathan talked about it yesterday, you remember one of my videos when I was telling you Casper has a possibility to hit $600. It has the possibility to do that in the next 10 years, and you guys are going to see. Just like right now, it's just like Casper is just a means of payment. Like Satoshi said, means of payment. They are not building on it yet. 6 days. We got 6 days. In 6 days, the first step to smart contracts goes live. And then you will see. You're looking for money. I told you, me, I don't know about you. I'm not your financial advisor. But me, short term, Casper is going to make me money. Because right now, 8-9 cents we are sitting. Smart contracts go live. Exchanges begin to list Casper. You're going to see this thing go from $1 to $3 before you can even say hello. It is coming. Things are just stage by stage. It's coming. You're going to see it. And then 2026 will come. Casper will keep on running. And I keep maintaining it. I believe. I don't know about you. That's your problem. Huh? I'm talking about my money. I believe Casper is a $10 coin. That's what I think it is. And as time go by, it matches Bitcoin market cap. I told you a couple of videos ago, I told you the only coin that will be going head to head with Bitcoin is going to be Casper. And you will see. You will see. We're talking about once you start matching that, you will see Casper $185. You will see it $400, $500, $600. And then those of us buying Casper right now at 8 cents, we are going to be like those of them who bought Bitcoin at $1. Because right now, if you, let's just say somebody who bought Bitcoin at $1 and they hold 10,000 Bitcoin and they come and tell you, hey, I have 10,000 Bitcoin right now. I will believe them. I will. Because when they bought it, nobody gave a crap about it. Right? I know a bunch of people who will come, let me see. You don't. Let me see. Because by then, when they bought it, it was cheap. The same thing with Casper today. Imagine Casper goes to $600 in the next 10 years. When you tell somebody, hey, I hold 10,000 Caspers, they are not going to believe you. They're going to be like those of them that go in my comments, let me see. You don't have it. Opportunity comes but once. Every 20 years. Once or twice. And this is one of them in which 10 years from now, a lot of people will look back and be like, crap, I should have done something. But here, this is my millionaire journey. I don't know about you. I'm going from 0 to a millionaire status, and I'm going to televise it for you to see it. This is my millionaire status, my millionaire journey. Now, if you want to do it, great. If you don't come by later and start hating like those of them. Let me see. When you tell them, hey, I got 30 Bitcoin. That's what you get, right? But right now that is cheap. Right now it hasn't been mainstream. Casper still flying under the radar. Nobody gives a crap yet. Trust me, as soon as you start crossing $1, the line of people buying Casper is going to be from here to 10 kilometers long. You will see. Okay, but anyways, now let's go to the second section of this video, which I told you I'm going to read a couple of comments, and we will see what do we get here. And let's go. Let's see my comments. What are the comments? I will grab here. Let's grab comments. Let's see here. Where is corporate adoption of Casper? Oh my God. What is corporate adoption of Casper? Oh my God. See, this is what I'm talking about. Somebody, I've said it here 1,001 times. Stop chasing green candles. If you do chase green candles, you will get burned. This person right here, I'm pretty sure all he's waiting for and he's asking for is for corporates to come in and pump the price. They pump the price. Again, he doesn't know when they're going to drop, when they're going to sell. He doesn't know. Pretty good example. Go look at Solana. VCs came in, they pump it, they dumped on you. Look at XRP. Look at XRP. I hold XRP, but look at it. They pump the price, they dump it on us. Pump it, dump it, pump it, and this is what this guy is asking for. What is the corporate? Oh my God. Oh my God. My friend, I will tell you, listen, if you ever try to invest just because corporate is coming in, then you deserve to be broke. Seriously, you deserve to be broke. Go do your own research and find out. The reason why I tell you stay away from proof of stake. Okay, do your research, because one main point is the VCs, which is the same thing as corporate. Stay away from those things, because yeah, they will pump it, but they will not tell you when they are going to do mic drop on you. Okay, if you are sharp enough, you might make some money, but 99.9% of people that invest into those kind of projects, they end up holding hot potatoes. Don't say I didn't tell you. If you want to, go ahead and do it, but it's not going to be in my channel. Go look for what's the name, Crypto John. He's good at giving you the one that he's good at giving you projects that that have corporate investors. Go look at it. Go look at Turbo AI and the rest of them. Okay, let's go to the next question. I'm just gonna pick a few of them. Always believe in Casper. Yeah, me too. All in. Okay, that's great. Everything you say, I could agree more. Oh, thank you, man. Thank you. Max, the Kaspa is mixture of features of Solana, Ethereum, Bitcoin, but much faster, more secure. Yeah, that is true. That is very true. Kaspa is the mixture of all of them. But the thing is, Kaspa is more advanced than all of them. Because when you look at the vprocs, when the programming come out, and then you start to see the way developers talk about Kaspa, it will seem like they are talking about something that fell from the moon. Not even the moon, from the Milky Way. So Kaspa, right now, most people are just looking at the price, just like I said. But once you start to see these things start to happen, that's when you will understand what this guy just said, that Kaspa is a mixture of all of them, but better. You will understand it better, okay? So let me see. Jonathan Sopolinsky made me laugh. Let me like that. So much with his pet turtle Bitcoin. Yeah, me too. I was listening to that, and he said when he said he just picked the turtle up, and it was show. So he called his pet turtle, he called it Bitcoin. For me, I like, yeah, the turtle is too slow, just like a Bitcoin. Exactly, man, exactly. Oh yeah, your face and your videos are my wife. Oh yeah. Idea from Australia, loved your show. Oh, thank you, man, thank you for being part of my millionaire journey. Thank you. I hope one day we all celebrate, maybe in Australia or probably in India. I don't know. One day we'll meet. We'll have us a Maxi Mug party or something like that. All right. Let's see. Australia has its own stable coin, and it's not even mentioned in the media. It came out about a month ago. Okay, I do have information about this. Okay, about the Australia stable coin. They choose H-bar. I'm pretty sure you already know that too. They choose H-bar, but they are having issues with that. First of all, it is very, very slow. H-bar is slow. Let's say, for example, you that is staying in Australia, try to pay in a store with that stable coin. You see how long it takes you to process a transaction. Something again I have also heard about is that sometimes the transactions get stuck. Okay, they get stuck to the point that the person paying, he pays for the items, he takes them home, but the transaction gets stuck, and after some time the money goes back to the address. Therefore, the merchant does not get paid. He doesn't get paid, but you can't argue, because guess what? The sender already has a transaction hash showing that he paid. So yeah, they're having a lot of problems with that. So you might be hearing very soon that they're switching to something else, but I don't know which one is it, but they are switching on it. Okay, so let's go to the next one. Let's see here. Everything you said couldn't agree. Okay, I think it went way too high. Went too high. Let's see here. Do you think Caspian wallet is a much credible? No, guys. Do not store your crypto in a hot wallet. Don't do that. Don't store your crypto in a hot wallet, guys. The best way for you to store your crypto is in a let's say cold storage. So far, I am using Tangent. Tangent is very simple to use. That's why I like it. It's not for any other thing else. Okay, very simple to use. It's just like a credit card. It fits in your wallet, and it's just right there, and nobody can hack it or do nothing to it. Okay, so I will recommend a Tangent wallet if you ask me my personal opinion. Okay, let's go to the next one. MMJ, why not look at say Man, I've said it again. Proof of stake, my friends. I do not look at proof of stakes. I don't like it. I don't like proof of stake. See that. What do you use to mine Casper? I use K0 Pros and then K0 Pros and K0 Ultras. Sometime next week I am going to order the K0 S7. There's a little one that is, I think it's 4 to 5 terahashes. I'm going to I want to order them and start to order, like to put them online to work, because again, when this 100 blocks per second goes live, you will be getting blocks left and right. So the more powerful machine you have, the better it's going to be for you. So yeah, I'm going to use that. Right now I have 14 miners, which includes 10 K0 Pros and the 3 K0 Ultras. So like 13 and something like that, okay? And the other one says, the last one but not the least, no wonder you speak French and Spanish. yeah, you know, my blood is mixed, that's why. Okay, Cameroonian father, my mother's from Equatorial Guinea, and I grew up in Nigeria. So the 3 languages, something like that. So yeah, I hope this was nice. So if you have any question, just put them down in the comment below, and then I will try to answer them either probably next video or some videos after that. Okay, I read all your comments, and you can see I do answer all of them too. And at the same time, anybody who tried to flood my channel, I block them. I don't have time for that nonsense. You understand? I don't get why people, they don't have their own big boys pants on. When you invest in something, you assume the risk. And I've always said it, do not invest in something that you don't have conviction in. You see, die hard meme coins, they go and invest. Me, I don't invest in meme coins because I don't have conviction in all of them. I told you, when the market goes up, the price of meme coins is not guaranteed. But the price of meme coin when the market crashes is guaranteed. That's when I usually make my money, because I short the market. Okay? Anyways, yeah. Don't come on my channel talk about, oh, price of Casper is not going up, oh, price is going crying about it. Look, listen, sell your bag, go buy the turbo AI. If you are not convinced in Casper, go buy a turbo AI. That's up to you. I don't have time for people whining and crying about price action when you already know exactly, and I've said it here 1,001 times. Do not judge Casper for his price action yet, because it's still just the name and speed. If you don't have time to wait, you cannot wait for the development to conclude, then yeah, go find something else. It's that simple, right? Anyways, guys, now let's go look at the market. Let's see how the market has been performing for the past 24 hours, okay? Let's see our good friend Crypto Bubbles. Where is it at? Crypto Bubbles, that guy right here. Let's see. There you go, mixture, right? I told you, all you gotta do is look at Bitcoin. Everybody who is talking about money is gonna trickle down. Is it trickling down yet? Anyways, yeah, if you look at it, let's look at the king, Kaspa, KAS. For the past hour, Kaspa is laying flat, not moving. For the past day, we are down 3%. It's also laying flat on the week. 7.9% down on the month, and 43.5% down on the year. Pay attention to that yearly number. You see how it started to go down, right? Something is brewing, something is about to blow, okay? Sitting at the market cap of $2.37 billion and a 24 hours volume traded at $56.04 million. Now we look at Quant, the banker's coin, and the coin a lot of people love to hate. We have here 0.1%, 0.2% down the last hour, 1% down on the day, 1.1% down on the week, 11.1% down on the month, and 60.4% down on the year, sitting at the market cap of $1.58 billion and a 24 hours volume traded at $17.49 million. Now we look at Jasmine, the Japanese Bitcoin, which you guys already know. Bitcoin is doing its thing. Jasmine is also going to do its thing. For the past hour, 0.3% down, 1.9%, 0.3% up for the last hour, 1.9% down on the day, 1.3% down on the week, 5.5% down on the month, and 25.7% down on the year. Pay attention to that number. It came from almost 60 or 70%. Now it is going down 25. it is about to reverse, okay? Sitting at the market cap of $783.45 million and a 24 hours volume traded at $34.91 million. Now, high risk, high reward, cubic, okay? We have here 5% up the last hour, 3.9% up on the day, 8.1% down on the week, 41.8% up on the month, and 57.1% up on the year. You see, I was telling you the same thing I'm telling you about Jasmine. Look at that yearly number. I do remember when it was like, what, 80% down. And I kept telling you it's about to reverse. But anyways, if you listen, you made money from it, right? Right now, we are sitting at a market cap of $351.75 million and a 24 hours volume traded at $8.18 million, okay? Now, look at the Bitcoin, the big guy, so you can see. This is why altcoins are doing what they're doing. Like I told you guys, money is not going to trickle down. If you want to wait for that, that's your problem. But anyways, look at this. For the past hour, 0.1% down, 1.4% down on the day, 2.5% down on the week, 3.1% down on the month, and 90% up on the year, sitting at the market cap of $2.29 trillion and a 24 hours volume traded at $35.24 billion. Okay, that's why you're seeing altcoins are not doing great. The market is oh my god. Money, my friends, is not gonna trickle down. It's not going to do that. Pay attention to the macro economy. Bitcoin is about to take off. Trust me when I tell you this. It's about to take off. We are eyeing that 150, 160,000. Watch. Well, you'll see. Anyways, now let's go look at prices in details. And to do that, I need my good friend TradingView, which is this guy. Let's see the correlation first. What do we have? Dixie going down, Bitcoin going down. Nah, we don't want this. This usually be when you see something like this that two of them are going in the same direction, it means it's a fake out. Guys, pay attention. This is another wink moment. Normally when I look at charts and I see Dixie, the US dollar, going down and Bitcoin going down at the same time, is a fake out. Or they're all going up at the same time, is a fake out. They usually, to see the real pump, they have to be inverse correlation. That means Dixie going up, Bitcoin going down, or Bitcoin going up, this Dixie dropping. So yeah, pay attention to that. Be careful, okay? Anyways, now, if you look at the charts, let's see here, Casper. This is what I was telling you guys yesterday. See? Price always get attracted to moving average. We broke out. Look at the ribbon on the 1 hour. Green, it is squeezing, signifying, hey, it is getting ready to continue. The price is about to take off. That's what it means. Look at the moving average. It's pointing upwards, right? It's happening. Now, if you look at it on the 4 hourly, it's almost the same thing. Like I said, look at the 4 hour. I told you, ribbon still red, yes, but it was curving. By the time this thing turns green, this price will be long gone. So yeah, if you zoom in, look, it's about to turn green. And on the 4 hourly, we are forming a bull flag. Okay, bull flag, which you see, we broke out. Here we are doing this, and then it will take off. Just like you saw here, little bull flag. See, it broke out, came, broke out again. Now it's coming, testing with the moving average. It's going to break out. That's what you're looking at right now. So yeah, for you guys that are doing day trading, wink moment. as you can see, right? It's a wink moment. I'm telling you, me, I'm not a day trader, but if I was, yeah, that will I will use this for my own decision making. Now, if you look at it on the daily, let's see what the daily says. Bam. Like I told you, a lot of you guys were laughing about it yesterday. I said, look at the ribbon, still green, right? Squeezing, going up. So far, we've seen Casper forming a double bottom. First bottom, second bottom. And if we can break this 10 cents, Casper is going even higher than what you think. That's what it is. So for me, if you look at it, everything points at bullish momentum coming in. That's what it is pointing right now. So those of you who are bearish, I don't know what to tell you. Seriously, I don't. You got 6 days away for smart contracts to go live. 6 days away for you to start hearing Binance is listing. These guys are listing. Just watch and see. You will see. Price target for me, they are still the same. Nothing has changed so far. Okay, if you look, first price target that we do have is going to be at that 12 cents. It's a resistance. Let's break it and see where we go. After that, you do have 15 cents. Then you do have 18, 19 cents to break. And after that, we do have all-time high, which will lead to price discovery. So sit tight, and you're about to see Casper do wonders. Don't say I didn't warn you. Or if you're too bearish, well, like I said, you still have Turbo AI for you to go mess with, right? Anyways, now let's go look at Quant. QNT, the banker's coin. Let's see. QNT. Okay, you see, that's what I was telling you for Quant. We're going to break out, and it did. Now we're doing exactly the same thing that Casper did. Look, in TA, when you look at this, it's a bull flag, okay? It breaks out. It's still inside. Ribbon still green, squeezing up. It's going to squeeze until it pops, just like it happens here. The squeezing happened, and then it popped. That's what you're about to see happening here. So yeah, patiently enough, I'm waiting. I told you, Quant is getting ready for that move again, because Bitcoin is about to do its thing. Anyways, now if you go look at it on the 4-hourly, you will see almost the same thing, just like I told you. See how price was, look at the ribbon, how it was curving. And I told you, it is still red, yes, but it is still curving. Next thing you see is going to turn green. And by the time this thing turns green, the price will be long gone. Because again, I told you, y'all remember when I said, price always gets attracted to the moving average. See, it got attracted to it, got rejected. It's gonna go again and try. It's a staircase, just like here. Up, went sideways, up, goes sideways, and then it's gonna try again. So yeah, we are in that month. I told you guys, July, August, September. You're about to make a lot of money. By the end of September, we will reevaluate and look at what the market is doing. Is it still bullish, or is it time to close shop? But so far, everything, people are going to make a lot of money, including yours truly. I don't know about you. I'm not your financial advisor anyways, right? Anyways, now let's go look at it on the daily. See on the daily, because again, it is still the same issue. People, I told you, this was a fake out. This was a fake out. See, this right here is a fake out. If you zoom it in, see how they have started to curve, right? You see? It's a fake out. See how the ribbon has started to curve, which means this ribbon is about to go green, and there will be a continuation. Because again, all of you that do know technical analysis, you will see the same thing. This right here is a bull flag. It went up, now it is pump coming downwards, and then before you know it, this resistance that you see right here is going to pop it, turn it into support, and keep on going. Look at the ribbon, look at the moving average. This kind of things is what I look at when I do my trading. I don't add mathematical equations and none of that, okay? So that's what I look. Price target are still the same, because again, I told you, in every trade you do have before the trade, during the trade, and after the trade. Are you trading on the daily, or are you trading long term? Long term, you will know that right now Quant is on during the trade. Quant broke out of this inverse head and shoulder that has a target at $151. The first resistance is going to be 125. After that, we get to that target, 151. After that, 164. We break that, we do have 176. When you turn that into support, you'll be looking at $230. After that, all-time high, $400 and beyond, price discovery. So yeah, it's up to you, whatever you want to do, okay? I'm gonna skip Jasmine again today. Like I told you guys, Jasmine here until it goes above that 2.3 cents. It ain't worth doing TA on, okay? So let's go straight into the big guy, Binance. Oh, sorry. I say Binance. Bitcoin, okay? Again, see, this is the hourly ribbon, green, just like I told you guys. By the time this thing turned green, price will be gone. What do you see? Exactly like I told you guys yesterday, right? What do you see? So yeah, the continuation is going to happen. If you look at it on the 4 hourly, the same thing. I was telling you guys, and I'm saying it again, it has happened on the hourly. Now it is about to happen on the 4-hourly. Ribbon is curving, it is squeezing, and it is going. Again, simple stuff. Like I told you guys yesterday, price was dumping, but I told you price always get attracted to the moving average. And look at that. That's exactly what happened. It couldn't hold. Okay, it's gonna bounce and go try again. Because I'm telling you guys, it is easy to be able to look at things. When you look at people's fear, okay, when you look at people's mentality when it comes to it, you will understand these markets very, very well. Remember when I told you, we go past my green line, it's going to bump. Now, look at what's happening. Look at what's happening. We went past the green line because of the fear, the news, it dropped, but it got supported right on that support. Look at prices has started to go again. See, that's what I'm telling you. It has started to go again. It's gonna go because Bitcoin is eyeing at that 150, 160,000 by the end of September, and you guys are going to see. That's where we are heading right now. Look at the moving average, upwards, straight. There's no two ways about it. It is going. Don't look at this price action. Just pay attention to the ribbon. Upwards. It is squeezing right now. This thing is about to pop. Okay, I don't know what to tell you. That's up to you. This is my own wink moment. Okay, price target is still the same. Like I told you, just pay attention to it. It's going to go to at the end of September. It's going to go to that 160, 150,000 Bitcoin. That's what it's going to be. I already have this line right here. Like I told you guys yesterday, 29th of September. I'm already watching it to see what's going to happen there. It might be time to close shop or might not. But hey, I'd rather be cautious than sorry. That's me. Okay? So anyways, now let's go right quick. Let's go look at my positions. Like as every day, please do not get into leverage trading if you don't know what you're doing. That is the most easiest way for you to lose your money. So please just stick to what we're saying, what we call spot trading. You're still gonna make money. Just stick to it. But if you want to go into leverage, you want to try it, down below I do have Bydfi, which I do recommend for beginners. It's very user friendly. They are not going to give you as much money as the rest, but hey, it's a very good exchange to practice with. Okay. Second, we do have Phemex, we have Margex, and we also have Wix exchange. On the Wix exchange, yeah, they're giving away $30,000 right now if you meet their deposit requirement. You have to meet that. So yeah, don't go signing up, not reading the little tiny letters. You need to meet their deposit requirements. Okay. And for those of you who are like me, I'm teaching my children how investment works. I also have a link down there which is for Acorns. Acorns will teach your children how to invest in crypto, in stocks and in ETFs and stuff like that. So if you follow that link, you will get $5 welcome bonus. It's not much, but hey, it's something for a little kid. You can just add it and then keep on going from there. But now, if you go do the leverage trading without experience, you are going to be the most loved neighbor in Reg City. You know the neighbor that shows up without invitation. That's going to be you. So don't say I didn't warn you. Okay. Anyways, yeah, let's go right quick. Let's go look at my positions. Okay. First of all, we're going to look at Bydfi. Okay, like I told you, I do recommend that one. Today, I am sitting at $12,900. Bitcoin is doing its thing. Market are doing their thing. And if you look at my contracts, you will see that, oh, yeah, Casper is sitting at 9 cents. You will see that here on Casper, I am still down 52%, which is $4,600 approximately. Okay. And if you look at my quant, I am up 7%, which is $760 approximately. You can pause it and look at my numbers if that's what you are interested in doing. Okay. Now, next we're going to Phemex. On Phemex, I am trading the Japanese Bitcoin and King Casper itself. Overall today, my overall is sitting at $9,000. Okay. Like as the market is doing its thing, let's just watch and sit tight, because like I told you guys, I am not a day trader. I'm a long-term trader. So as you guys can see, now looking at my contracts, you will see that here we do have My Casper, I am up 6%, which is $266 approximately. And on my Jasmine, I am down 68%, which is $7,400. Like I told you guys, yeah, market moves, my moves make my positions jumps like really crazy. So yeah, let's watch and see. Now, last but not the least, we'll be looking at the Wix exchange. On Wix, I am trading King Casper, and I am also trading Quant. My overall today is sitting at $5,500 approximately, okay? And you can look at my contracts. You will see that here on Quant, QNT, I am up $1,800 approximately. And on my Casper, I am up $328 approximately. One thing you will know, like if you pause the video and look at my numbers, okay, one thing you will know, I trade at 50x in all my positions, all of them 50x, and I don't use stop loss. That is my trading strategy. Please don't do it like me. It took a long time for me to master how to do this, so please do not do it like me, okay? Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching my videos. Please, I would like to know, don't forget to subscribe, okay? Subscribe so that we can make it at least to 5,000 subscribers, okay? Don't forget to like and comment. I am very interested in knowing what you think about everything that we talked about today. Do you believe that Kaspa will one day match the market cap of Bitcoin, just like the US dollar match the market cap of gold? If you say yes, leave your comment below. If you say no, you can also leave it below too. I want to know why. Okay, don't forget to share. Okay, you need to share this kind of stuff. Okay, that way we get more people, more audience. Okay, don't forget it, because you never know. I've always said it. You never know what you will learn from a stranger. You never know. Okay, that being said, guys, thank you so much for watching. Until I see you in my next one, please take very good care of yourselves. Okay, bye.